So far we have got 175 inquiries. Out of them we have just picked 98 students because they gave us the whole detail, the entire detail that we needed as an institute or as an executive. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about, am I really able to train you in English to English or Hindi to English. So for that we have divided two groups. In group A we are going to be encountering Hindi to English. In group B we are going to be encountering English to English students. So it depends on you, according to your convenience. If you really want to join group A or group B, it depends on you. So join this. All the details you're going to find in the description and phone number as well. So we can call us, you can message us, WhatsApp us, you can email us. All the thing is in description, so make sure you are going in the description because your prestige is in your hand, my friend, and this is all the entice way that we have to communicate with you, to do a workshop with you. It's just about to give you the motivation and the courage to speak English, because English is all about the motivation and the courage. If you are motivated and courageous, that means the 90% of the English spoken work is done. So come and take the workshop with me.